umuwi.
Ang saya.
Next
Super
is
saya.
Lanai, yung may parang roller coaster. What the fuck? First roller coaster. Hey mahals, welcome back to our channel.
Freaking Jerk. Welcome back to our channel. Freaking Jerk.
So mahals, today is our second day here in Hong Kong and for sure wala pa kayong idea kung saan kami pupunta pero pag sinabi ko yung clue, alam niyo. 5, 6, 7.
We're going to the happiest
Happiest.
place
On
on earth.
Hong Kong Disneyland! Yay! So, first time ni Mahal to. So, excited akong iparanas
First
sa kanya
time
ang Hong Kong Disneyland.
Wow, kala naman. Pero nag-Hong Kong na si Mahal nung bata pa sila.
So, ayan Mahal, ipapakita namin sa inyo ang experience namin later. Let's go!
Pero
Ngayon,
sobrang lamig pa din. Pero ang ganda nung panahon kasi hindi siya mainit. Like, walang araw. So,
and
yes.
hopefully hindi uulan.
Hopefully. Kasi kahapon umambon. Ngayon, Mahals, maghanap muna kami ng kakainan kasi yung kinuha naming ticket is yung VIP, so may mga early access, ganyan. So, hanap muna kami ng kakainan para may energy kami. Ordinary day in Hong Kong. Wow. Today is Saturday and we are expecting na maraming tao ngayon na nasa labas.
Yes, kaya buti na lang nag-avail kami ng VIP ticket sa Hong Kong.
Mag-breakfast muna kami. Oops. Mickey Mouse. So, outfit check. Waiting sa train, Miles. Subway. So, everyone. Video mo.
欢迎乘搭迪士尼线。Welcome to the Disneyland Resort.
So, we are here now at
Hong Kong Disneyland!
So nice to be here, guys. It's a dream come true. So, let's go. Huh?
Yeah! We are Mickey and Minnie.
Yay! I'm so happy. Tschüss. Tschüss.
Happy kiddo! Well, sabihin mo, healing my inner child.
Feeling my inner child.
Wow, akala mo may Disney Channel nung bata.
Yay! Enjoying our early pass. Early pass. Oh.
So ayun Mahals, nakakuha kami ng early ticket pass. Like kunwari 10:30 ang bukas, 9:30 may pass na kami. And it's still 8:30.
Yeah.
So ayan, pagpasok namin, may pilang mga nakumuha ng early pass.
Same mindset na.
Pero, may early pass kami naman. At the same time, may VIP ticket pa kami. So let's see kung sila ba may VIP later. Wow!
Okay, it's a fresh day.
Okay, mahals, nakapasok na kami. Nagamit na namin yung park ticket at saka early park ticket. So ngayon, open na. 10 a.m. pa daw yung open. Pero since may early access, 9, pasok na tayo. And may mga areas lang na open like Frozen. So doon kami dediretso ni Ma.
Let's
Kasi
go!
baklak.
Frozen, go! Ganda.
Wait lang, parang blurred. Eme, go. Wow, may props.
Ang ganda. Ang ganda. Wow! It's the castle. The castle. So that's the castle.
And sobrang ganda ng weather, guys. Guys, malamig tapos may konting araw na siya. So,
Let's go.
tara na sa first wait. May nagpipicture dyan. So guys, as a kid growing up ng
Wow.
Frozen, wow, kala mo sobrang bata. Sobrang excited ako, guys, tara na!
Frozen.
The world of Arendelle.
Oh, ang ganda.
Ulitin mo yun.
Ah, ang ganda.
Diyan tayo sasakay.
Oh my God.
Aww. Yes.
On a day very much like today, on a safe
We are going to the Ice Palace.
for the first time in forever.
Wow, that's awesome. It's our first ride here. Ang
And
ganda.
what's your favorite?
多謝各位
So
嘅合
happy.
作。
Really the happy face. So, done na kami sa, ano yan? Frozen.
Ever after.
Ever after. And first ride namin and sulit na ako.
Pwede lang umuwi.
Ang saya.
Next
Super
is
saya.
yan na, yung may parang roller coaster. First roller coaster.
What? That's it.
Hi, Basi! Talaga. So, isa sa unfortunate ngayon sa Disneyland Mahals ay ang pagkasarado ng It's a Small World Village, which is iconic sana siya. Okay, kanta ka, Mal.
It's a small world.
We are the world. Iba na yun.
Wow.
Talaga.
Okay, nasa Tomorrowland na kami and nasakyan na namin yung, ano yun?
Hyperspace Mountain.
Yeah, very futuristic siya. Ganda. Nakakahilo. Nahilo na ako. Okay, 4:39 to 42. Wait.
Harap ka ah. May batang nagutom.
Akin nga yung go time.